All right, number 4 here. It's a little different. It says dy dx plus 6xy squared equals 0. And then it tells us that f of 0 is 3. So obviously there's something, a little step we're going to have to do here because it looks a little different. We don't have dy dx equals something. We've got this plus 6xy squared. So if we want to separate our variables, which is what usually our first step is, the first thing we're going to have to do is change this to dy dx equals negative 6xy squared. Okay, now we can separate. We end up with 1 over y squared dy equals negative 6x dx. All right, take the antiderivative of both sides. Remember, 1 over y squared, that's just y to the negative 2 dy, negative 6x dx over here. And if I take the antiderivative, I'm going to end up with negative y to the negative 1 on the left-hand side, and then negative 3x squared plus c on the right-hand side. So that's negative 1 over y equals negative 3x squared plus c. Now, to find c, I will plug in my point, 0, 3. That gives me negative 1 over 3 equals negative 3 times 0 squared plus c. So c is going to be negative 1/3. Okay, so I can say negative 1 over y equals negative 3x squared minus 1/3. Make this a little easier. Let's just say 1 over y equals 3x squared plus 1/3. And then y would be 1 over 3x squared plus 1/3. And that's your answer.